AVB63 6x3 Assembly Instructions. Parts List. Roof blanket. Wall blanket without window. Back wall. Wall blanket with window. Bag. Aluminum frame. Frame bag. LED light with power adapter. Assembly. Step 1. Put the folded frame upside down and extend the legs one section. Sometimes the second section can be pulled out. Stop and make sure that the correct section is extended. Step 2. Flip the frame to its feet and expand the frame. For larger frame size, it is better to work with a helper. When expanding the frame, make sure to expand evenly in all directions, so the parts do not skew and get stuck. When fully expanded, make sure it is locked in place. Step 3. Place the roof panel on top of the frame. Placing roof at this stage before fully extending the legs is easier, especially if you have low ceilings. Step 4. Extend the legs and adjust to a comfortable height. There are 4 height options to choose from. Step 5. Attach the wall panels to the frame using the Velcro tie-ups attached to the wall panels. Start at the center of the frame and work your way around. Side wall panels and back wall panel can be joined at the back with Velcro. We provide a zipper opening for the front entrance. The provided LED light can be simply placed on the frame at a convenient location. Run the cord under the panels and connect to an outlet. This completes the assembly of the booth.